going to produce a lot of free radicals, which are bad molecules, and these free radicals are going to insult or damage the digestive system. It has been very significantly dealt with in Ayurvedic science, but when combined, they become poisonous or toxin-inducing, damage the digestive system or the metabolic system. Then a lot of diseases will happen. How it measures the effects of wrong combinations is very namaste to everyone. So today I'm going to touch upon a very important and interesting topic, the topic of incompatible foods, topic which is carrying a lot of misconceptions and which is at times difficult to understand, and which has been very significantly dealt with in Ayurvedic science. It is known as Viruddha Ahara in Ayurveda. Viruddha Ahara. Viruddha means incompatible or antagonistic. Two foods which are great when taken separately, when taken alone, but when combined, they become poisonous or toxin-inducing. So that's known as Viruddha Ahara, and we can call it incompatible foods or wrong food combinations. So the topic of incompatibility has been mentioned in detail in Ayurveda. In fact, 18 different types of incompatibilities or Viruddha Ahara has been mentioned. 18 different types include not only the food combinations. So let's say combining different foods, which is known as Sanyog. Sanyog means combination. So that's only one of the 18 types of incompatibilities. So apart from the Sanyog or the wrong food combinations, there are other incompatibilities. Let's say rice. Rice is healthy, and if it's left uncooked, that's known as sanskara viruddha. Incompatibility arising out of not cooking something properly. Then a very healthy food, but taken by a wrong person, or a person whose body type does not align with that food. So that becomes a dosha viruddha. His dosha or his body type is not aligned, is not made to consume that food. So that's another kind of incompatibility. Then there is desha viruddha. Desha means country. Which kind of food is suited for which country or which cultural background. So if a person migrates to a new country or a new region which is climatically very different, and then he starts consuming entirely new foods without heeding or without giving a thought to what those foods are going to do. So that also becomes an incompatible food or desha viruddha. Then there is kala viruddha. Kala viruddha means incompatibility of time or season, which foods to consume in which season. So that's kala viruddha. So similarly, 18 different kinds of incompatibilities have been mentioned in Ayurveda, and out of this, the most talked about, the most popular is Sanyoga Viruddha, or food combining, which two foods don't go well with each other. So that's known as Sanyoga Viruddha. So the wrong food combinations or Viruddha Ahara is going to free radical insult. It's going to produce a lot of free radicals, which are bad molecules, and these free radicals are going to insult or damage the digestive system or the metabolic system. Then a lot of diseases will happen and come up. So Viruddha Ahara are these various combinations of foods and the phase of processing and seasonal diets, and all these 18 types have been dealt with in detail in Ayurveda, whereas in modern science it's this science known as trophology. The science of wrong food combinations is known as trophology, and the modern science is just getting to experiment with this, and it's in a very nascent stage. And I think it has a long way to go, wherein Ayurveda and modern science can come together, and they can we can validate it scientifically, like what's happening after eating the wrong food combinations. So this science of trophology, how it measures the effects of wrong combinations is by measuring what's known as the total antioxidant capacity of a food, wherein how effectively a food combination is producing antioxidants, whether it's able to scavenge the free radicals or remove the free radicals from the body, or if the food combination is wrong, then the total antioxidant capacity goes down, which means that the free radicals or the bad molecules will go up after such wrong food combinations.